The timeline of graphic design activity. This is the last thing you will do in learning about history and evolution of graphic design. You're going to use the History and Evolution Graphic Design PowerPoint. You saw this in a previous lesson. This is the PowerPoint. You used this last week. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the different eras and you're going to pick things that were invented in that era to include in your timeline. You need to include at least 20 entries, and then you make sure your entries are concise and clear so it's easy to understand. And then I'm going to show you how to use the free online timeline builder and Adobe Spark. So let's start with the free online timeline builder. So what I have to do, I'm going to present this so I can show you. So let's say we're going to start with the ancient graphic design. So you're going to go through and find specific items that you want to include. So let's say the ancient timeline. So during that time, these were the things that were created. European cave art. Okay, so Chauvet was discovered, and it was discovered in 1994, but it's dated as 3200 to 3600 years old. So let's say we're going to include that in our timeline. So we'd go here. So I'm going to start with the timeline editor. So what you would do, you could either click new event, or you can find the timeline here and just click it here. But I'm going to click new event, and then we're going to put event, and the timeline was 3200 BC to 32,000 to 3600 BC. So I would type 32,000 BC. Yes, we have to convert the time period. And let's see, 36 to 36,000 BC. And so we have to put a description, which is make sure. Okay, so we're talking about cave art. It's located by southern France. Contains painted animal. So we're talking about cave art. So I had to go back one slide. So I have to make sure I label it correctly. Cave art. If you want to put a picture, you can click here. I'm just going to put any picture. So you would have to find a picture of cave art. I'm just going to put this one. This is from another period, but I just wanted to show you how to put a picture in. And you can decide if you want to put your entry above or below the line. And then you would just simply add another. So see, all of this is the ancient graphic design period, but you might have different things that happen within that time frame. Remember, you need to have 20 items. So I might pick something else from this time frame. Well, that was Egyptian design, so or you might decide anything you want is okay. Just make sure you have 20 items. So this is 1500 to 17,000. So let's go. So we use this one. So let's go to Egyptian designs. So we would go back to the timeline, and then we would put Egyptian designs, but we need to see what time frame. printing. Oh, let's do woodlock printing. Woodlock printing around 600 AD. So I'm going to choose that one as my second one. Woodlock printing. So we're going to new event, and we're going to call it woodlock printing. And what was that time frame? 600 AD. 600, and it's not BC, it's AD. And we'll just put and then again we could leave this one at the top, or we can put it at the bottom. You can put it wherever you like. You could center it with the line, right of the line, or left of the line. With this one, we're going to put it left because I have the Renaissance graphic design up here. And let me see if it's one word. Yep. Okay, so this is how we would use the timeline graphics to create our timeline. Remember, you need 20 items. And you're going to get the 20 items from this PowerPoint. You can go back to the main menu, view your show, and just click the different areas you want to find your information to be included in your timeline. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Spark. That is your other option. So remember, you're going to go to the PowerPoint, pick an era, pick a timeline, things that happen within that era. Might be easier if you use the main menu and you just pick a time, ancient graphic design. So let's see. So it was influenced a long time, 3800 BC to the 13th century. So it tells you some of the economic changes, technical advances, symbols, establishment of symbols. So, and it shows you the time frame. So let's see. So we're going to say 3100. So establishment of symbols. So I'm going to just start a new one. So I'm going to go here, click Adobe Spark, open hyperlink. So I right click, open hyperlink, create a timeline. So the name of your project is Timeline of Graphic Design. So you're going to make sure you put your title, and then you have to put by, and then you're going to put your name here. Okay, don't put the word your name, put your actual government first name and last name. All right, so you're going to start by saying we're going to start with ancient graphic design. So I'm going to label it by typing ancient. And that was DESIGN. So this was 38 BC. Okay. So we're gonna see what we get for ancient. Oh well. So maybe we'll just take this image. All right. Now we're gonna look through this period and see what else. So let's do establishment of symbols maybe. So that you want to look for something. Technology advances, yeah, establishment of symbols. So let's take the 3100 and then we're going to put establishment of symbols. So we're going to save this, new. So we're going to do establishment, of symbols. This is just showing you how to add to your timeline. I think we said it was 3100. You go back and make sure oh yep, I was right, 3100. And then to add an image, we're going to type ancient symbols. See what we come up with. Let's see what we'll come up with if we type symbols. Alright, we're just going to pretend this is ancient. Okay, and then you just go down. You need 20 things in your timeline. So let's see, cave art. So that was about cave art. So let's say cave art. Just put that in here. Save this. Add an event. And we'll just do cave art. And then find. So I'm just going to put. Oh, I know what I have to do. I forgot. Well, we're just going to put. What time frame did it say? So we're just going to put. I'll just do that. But we're going to put BC. Actually 3231. We have to actually have to count down and then save. So I need to go back to this one, edit. So if you need to edit, you just touch the entry and click the pencil. So I need to put BC and save, and then make sure you put an image for each one. Cave art. So we're going to choose image. So we're going to put cave. See what we come up with for cave art. So we'll just pick this one. And then you just keep adding until you get 20 items. Now when you finish, you're just going to download. Give it a name. This is your timeline. So you could abbreviate it timeline. Or you can call it graphic design timeline. You're going to save it. Make sure you know where you're saving it. And then you are going to turn that assignment into the team's post.